Have you ever felt like your money is just disappearing? Like you're constantly working, earning, but at the end of the month, you're left scratching your head wondering where it all went? If so, trust me, you are not alone. For years, I struggled with this exact feeling. I'd tried different budgeting methods, spreadsheets, even those old-school paper ledgers, remember those, but nothing truly stuck. It always felt like a chore, a drain on my already limited time, and frankly, a bit overwhelming. That was until I discovered Rocket Money. Now, I know what you might be thinking, oh, another one of those budgeting apps. But hear me out. Rocket Money, for me, has been a game changer. It's not just an app, it's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket, constantly working to optimize your spending, save you money, and give you a crystal clear picture of your financial health. And today, I want to dive deep into my absolute favorite features of Rocket Money, the ones that have truly transformed how I manage my money and, honestly, my entire financial outlook. Let's start with the big one, the feature that initially drew me to Rocket Money and has probably saved me the most money, subscription management. Oh, the dreaded subscriptions. In this day and age, we're all bombarded with monthly, quarterly, and annual subscriptions. From streaming services to fitness apps, online courses, software, meal kits, and even those random services you signed up for during a free trial and completely forgot about. They all add up, often silently chipping away at your bank account without you even realizing the cumulative impact. Before Rocket Money, my subscription management strategy was non-existent. I'd occasionally scroll through my bank statements, squinting to identify recurring charges, and maybe, just maybe, remember to cancel one or two if I was feeling particularly motivated. But Rocket Money changes everything. You connect your bank accounts and credit cards, and almost instantly, it creates a comprehensive list of all your recurring subscriptions. And I mean all of them. Things I'd completely forgotten about, services I'd used once and abandoned, even subscriptions that had increased their prices without me noticing, Rocket Money brings them all to light. But it doesn't just list them, it helps you manage them. For many subscriptions, Rocket Money offers a concierge service where they will actually cancel the subscription for you. Yes, you heard that right. No more navigating convoluted cancellation processes on websites, no more waiting on hold with customer service, no more awkward conversations trying to justify why you want to leave. You simply tap a button, tell Rocket Money you want to cancel, and they handle the rest. This feature alone has saved me countless hours of frustration and, more importantly, a significant amount of money on services I no longer used or needed. It's like magic. It's peace of mind. It's the ultimate decluttering for your digital financial life. Next up, a feature that feels almost too good to be true, but it is, bill negotiation. This blew my mind when I first learned about it. Imagine having someone negotiate your internet bill, your cable bill, your phone bill, or even your insurance premiums on your behalf. Rocket Money does exactly that. They have a team dedicated to calling your service providers and trying to get you a lower rate. Here's how it works. You identify a bill you want them to negotiate. You provide some basic information, and their team gets to work. They'll call your provider, armed with data and negotiation tactics, to see if they can find discounts, promotions, or better plans for you. The best part? They only charge you a percentage of the savings they achieve. So, if they don't save you money, you pay nothing. It's a win-win. I've personally seen my internet bill drop by a noticeable amount thanks to Rocket Money's negotiation service. Think about how many times you've wished you could get a better deal on your recurring bills but just didn't have the time or energy to sit on the phone for hours. Rocket Money takes that burden off your shoulders, and it truly makes a difference in your monthly outgoing expenses. It's like having a savvy financial advocate fighting for your money. Beyond saving money on existing services, Rocket Money also empowers you to track and understand your spending. This might sound basic, but the way Rocket Money presents your spending data is incredibly insightful. It automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear breakdown of where your money is going. Seeing a visual representation of your spending habits, how much you're spending on groceries, dining out, entertainment, transportation, etc., is incredibly powerful. It's one thing to think you know where your money goes, it's another entirely to see it laid out in a clear, concise manner. Rocket Money helps you identify trends, pinpoint areas where you might be overspending, and set realistic budgets for different categories. For instance, I realized I was spending far more on impulse online purchases than I thought. Seeing that category light up in red on my Rocket Money dashboard was the wake-up call I needed to adjust my habits. You can also create custom categories, which is fantastic for those unique spending habits or specific savings goals you might have. This level of granular insight allows for informed financial decisions, rather than just hoping for the best. It's a fundamental step towards financial control and stability. And speaking of control, the budgeting tools within Rocket Money are surprisingly intuitive and effective. Unlike some budgeting apps that feel like you're constantly micromanaging every penny, Rocket Money strikes a good balance. It helps you set up a monthly budget based on your income and recurring expenses, and then allows you to allocate funds to different spending categories. What I particularly love is how it tracks your progress against your budget in real time. You can see how much you have left in a particular category, which acts as a gentle reminder to stay on track. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.